Hello everybody, and welcome back to Plant Matters. Now, I know I haven't been very active on this channel over the past year until just recently again. If you haven't seen my videos from my recent trip to Mexico, you can check them out on my channel. And I do hope we can expect to see more of those coming soon, but I'm currently having some troubles with my hard drive. And I'm sure, as you all know all too well already, we are currently undergoing some technical difficulties here on Earth as well. Very troubling and uncertain times all over the earth right now, and everyone seems to be just kind of holding on, waiting to see what happens next. But overall, things aren't looking very good right now for the world as we know it. And you could almost say it's the end of the world as we know it. But you know what? I feel fine. And I mean, we've known this was coming for some time now. No one really knew when or what was going to happen, but I'm sure most people knew deep down somewhere that the system was flawed. And it was destined to fail, almost as if it was designed to fail. And I'm sure by now most people can see that this has clearly been set up, and there's something very fishy about the whole situation. And now here we are, so suddenly in this strange and interesting place in history. And I think the future could go two ways from here. And that is that we could put all our faith and trust in the governments and corporations that got us into this mess to begin with, and sacrifice our rights and freedoms in exchange for a promise of safety and security. And we'll likely find ourselves heading into a one world order Orwellian-like future with total lockdown and control over every aspect of our lives. Which I don't really want to get into politics on here, but when you look at all the politics behind it, that is the plan. And that has been the plan for a long time. But we could also take this as an opportunity to walk away from all of that and create something new. To walk away from the degenerative economy and work to rebuild our communities and our world and the things that we love and cherish. To walk away from the unfulfilling jobs that we know only contribute to the problem and do not support the people or a sustainable, regenerative community and world. And I know many people aren't working right now. We've had huge layoffs worldwide with so many companies closing their doors, some not sure if they'll even be able to open again. And that's a scary thought for a lot of people, and as the world seems to be going crazy and flipping upside down on us, with all the talk and all the news of everything that's going on, it can be kind of overwhelming, and a lot of people just don't know what to do. And I think what we need to do is focus on what we actually can do, and focus on the kind of future we want to see coming out of this. And what we can do, and what we should be doing, is finding ways to keep ourselves busy during these uncertain times. Helping those we love and building friendships and connections in our community could be crucial in the times ahead. We should be planting our gardens now. Anything that can be started indoors, start it. If you have the space or the equipment for an indoor garden, get it going. If you're capable, and especially if you're interested but you don't know how, then now is the perfect time to learn. And that can go for gardening or really anything you can think of to help the people around you. Know the needs and the skills of those around you and try to help in any way you can. Share your skills. Be kind, be patient, and be strong. Support your local communities and support local business. We should be buying seeds, not toilet paper. Everyone should be learning and teaching, and our gardens, and hopefully our community gardens this year, should be like nothing we've ever seen before. Get everyone in on it. And as I said, now is the perfect time to learn. Find out how your skills can help the people around you. And I want to share a couple videos here on the idea behind a regenerative economy. I don't think I could explain it better than Matt, so I'm going to play his video in a second here. But really, this is the reason why I started Plant Matters. Because plants matter. Maybe now more than ever. Because we knew that what we had was not sustainable, and we knew that one day we would all have to step up and make a change.
everyone at this point has either participated or is currently participating in the degenerative economy. This is the system of abuse that is destroying environments, destroying forests, destroying soils, destroying people, destroying cultures, destroying kindness and care all over the world. And we're actually seeing it fall apart before our very eyes. It's imploding. We're seeing, the dying gasp of a great, terrible beast. And we all want out. We all want out of this matrix, the system of abuse, the system of loss. We all want to live with integrity, with strength, with being proud of what we're doing, what we're capable of, healing the world, healing ourselves, and everyone around us. We all want that. But do you want to do the work to get that better life? That is the question we have now. You can make money doing the right thing. You can heal the earth and support your family at the same time. I do it. I know many people who do it. And there are proven regenerative business models that are profitable, that people are teaching and people are adopting and doing the work and making it happen. So if you're seeking a life of meaning, purpose, and freedom, if you're wanting to get away from that job, you need to watch this video series. So sign up, get your notebook, get your journal ready, because we're going to together talk about your future, your escape, and your rise from the ashes of this old story, of the past, of this day J-O-B, and align you with a future that is rich with meaning, purpose, and freedom, so that you're excited, you're elated, you're ecstatic about what's possible.
So please go check out Matt's channel and watch those 2 videos. He also has all kinds of amazing content and things you can learn. And that's really what the future is going to be about here. And we're all about to learn together. So I will be planting some seeds right now, today, after this video. I'm just going to plant what I got, and next time I decide to leave the house, seeds will likely be something I pick up. And I would recommend everybody do the same. It's time we start thinking about the future we really want and moving into a more sustainable, regenerative way of living. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video can inspire you to create something beautiful around you and your loved ones. Whatever your skills and knowledge can provide to build back our communities and build back our economy in a way that can benefit everyone. So love one another, take care of one another, and let's keep moving forward through this. Once again, Plant Matters is a vision to build a worldwide network of like-minded plant enthusiasts to learn, educate, grow, and encourage the growth of organic fruits and vegetables and all plant life in local communities for everyone to enjoy, to create a more beautiful, more sustainable future for everyone. Join us, because plants matter. See y'all soon.